Tres.
Hello, good evening. My name is Lucrecia. Lucre for short. How are you tonight? Are you happy? Oh, this is a very nice place. Is this an art gallery? Is this your art gallery, sir? I love it. Let me tell you, I learn English by singing songs. So you can tell me any song you want and I will sing it for you. Oh, tell me any song, come on, any song. I love to sing. I'm a great singer.
Love story.
Love story, of course, of course. Oh, love story, love story, love story. Oh, love story. La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar.
That's not love story.
No, it's not love story, that one.
No.
Or maybe that particular one, I don't know. But can you tell me any other? Oh, I love to sing, I love to sing.
Let it be.
Let it be! Of course! I know that one! I love that one! La cucaracha, ya no puede caminar.
That's not a love.
No.
Let it be.
That is not
No.
let it be!
No.
I think that you don't know any songs, sir.
And it's not in English. That's what you're singing is in Spanish.
It's Spanish!
Yeah.
Of course it's Spanish, I know Spanish.
No, but you sing it in Spanish.
Okay,
La
well,
cucaracha.
okay. Tell me any song in Spanish and I will sing it to you. Come on.
La cucaracha.
La cucaracha.
Yeah.
Okay, let me think. Let it be. Let la cucaracha be, let it be. Yay! Did you like it?
Yes, I did.
Well, I'm sorry, but I have to go. I have another show. It has been a pleasure. Thank you.
What is your
Thank
name?
you. I said, sir, my name is Lucrecia, but Lucre for short. Mwah, mwah,
Okay.
mwah. What a
Thank-
magnific audience. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.